What's the matter? What do you want?
You know what you want.
What do you want?
Mary, how crooked
What do you want? You sure you want it? You want the thing up there? Is that what you want?
Jake,
Is that what you want? No. You stay down.
No.
Is that what you want?
Jake?
You cannot have it. You can't have it. You can smell it. No. No, you stay down. You can smell it, but that's about it.
How crooked can you be?
You cannot have it, Iffy. You're just gonna cry, aren't you? You got such the saddest eyes. You can't have it, though. You can look at it. You can sniff it. But you can't have it. No. You got his little puppy dog eyes. Okay, I'm gonna put it back up here so you can't have it. That's where it's sitting. All the way up there. You can't have it. I think I pissed her off. She's gonna come to you for it now. I'm so concerned about it.
What do you want? It's not mine. It's not mine to give you. What are you sniffing on me?
You held it too, don't you remember?
All over me like she's sniffing now.
Oh, it was around a little bit instead today.
Shut the computer, look. Celeste is excited. Where we going? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? What? What? Quit.
It's like, okay, I'll just sit here patiently until you get up.
Quit sniffing me. Quit. I guess what they both want.
What, rough house?
That's what I think they want. What you do? That's what she wants. She did want her hair up right there.
And more. 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 Oh, now you're getting this itchy spot. Tail going 90 miles per hour.
Weird. It's sniffing my belly button. It's mine, not yours. Iffy. Iffy. Give me cool chills. He's squeaking for. Where is it? Why he get you a wolf for?